follow you because I don't know what you have plans.
Oh yeah, well, Mortal Rockets by Canon. We got 3 different types. We got the large, the medium, and this, we'll just call it a jumbo rocket, I guess. And the Shoga tube. And then we're gonna do, I guess, we're gonna do, what are we gonna do? 3 on?
Yeah,
3 of those. Yeah, we'll do 3 more of these, and then with the firing system, and then the Thunder King that we got.
yeah,
Where did I put that thing? Oh yeah. Doing a Thunder King too as well. All right, just to get the little setup here, we got 3 rockets attached to the firing system. These are Mortal Rockets by Canon again. Here's the machine, followed by a Thunder King. So all 3 of those are going up, as well as this Thunder King. And of course, we're gonna hand light the other 3 of the rockets. What we got in here, over by the dock. On our way to the dock. Set up. Rockets, we're gonna hand fire at the dock. So, here we go. This is the cylinder rocket. Nice. This is the large one.
yeah.
The medium. Nice. The geese are going crazy. Nice. Damn. They're like, call the cops. I'm gonna try to do the camera work while setting these off. So here we go. We're gonna do 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 is the salute. So here we go with 5. One more. Oh, the last one didn't go. Oh, sorry for the sloppy camera work. Here goes the Thunder King. This is gonna be loud. Oh. Nice. Nice.